Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share why I decided to start a YouTube channel. Just recently I got 100 subscribers, yay! And I would like to take the opportunity to welcome my new friends here on YouTube and let you guys know a little bit about myself. Before I start, I wanted to tell you that 80% of my viewers are between the ages of 45 and 65. And because of that, we're all going through the same things together. The gray hair is just part of the journey. It is a time in our lives where we're going through perimenopause and menopause, something that a lot of people are ashamed of. And I have had my own struggles because of it. The idea of getting old, the idea of changing, the idea of losing my sense of self. With all our life changes that come with menopause, they are not only physical but emotional. And those emotional changes, I feel, need a way to express themselves. Or I have a friend from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and she's a writer. She said that beauty and art is Prozac for the walls. And that made me think about it. And actually, it was one of those things that people tell you that are transformational. I always felt so guilty that I had such a privileged life and that I should be spending my time and energy doing good deeds. But she made me realize that beauty and these things that we might consider superficial are also elevating, and in the sense that they elevate your mood, they make a house a home, they show that you care to friends, people that might be having a bad day and see something pretty and it puts a smile on their face. So all these things made me think I can do a YouTube channel about beauty, even though my beauty is now fading because of my time in life. But beautiful things go beyond the physical. Anyway, without being too metaphysical, one of the reasons that I created the channel was so that I can be of service. I went to a Catholic school growing up, and our motto was to love is to serve. So I always have that in the back of my mind, that we always should be doing things to help others. I have a fantastic neighbor who, hey Miss Judy, if you're seeing this, who has also taught me that we can change people's lives with little small things. So sometimes it's one word you say or one thing that they learn from you that will make their life so much different and so much better because of it. So that's my goal of the channel. I mean, it's lofty, I guess. Why would I expect to be able to affect people in a way that is so deep with stupid makeup tutorials or talking about my hair? But all those things are connected, and I feel like if this is the tool set that was given to me by fate and God, then this is what I'm going to do. Hopefully make somebody's life easier, more comfortable, more beautiful, happier, more cheerful. Today I went to my cardiologist, and there is nothing wrong with my heart. I am super healthy. I do have heart disease in the family, but I started going to him years ago when I first started having palpitations because of menopause. And we had a good talk today. I really enjoyed his company and his wisdom. He is the only doctor who has ever told me that I should lose weight, and which is fantastic. And I'm so proud of his courage to do that. I think it's, we all go through life being soft and too nice instead of telling truths that need to be said that can really change other people's lives. So today he said he sees a lot of 70 and 80-year-old people that are ready to go. Just they are, especially when their minds are bright, that they are done and ready to go. And he sees lots of 60-year-olds that are unfit and unhealthy and sad. And the lesson that he tried to share with me today was that as a doctor, his goal is not to just extend life, but it's to extend quality of life. He says that he sees 90-year-olds that are in fantastic shape and have a great attitude. And what he said was, there are 3 things that they do right. They stay fit with exercise, they maintain a good weight, and they manage stress. With all our life changes that come with menopause, period where adrenaline is always rushing through our bodies and cortisol levels are sky high, it just so happens that I can serve a group of women that are going through the things in life that I'm going through right now. I am growing, and I feel like this change in my life is just as important as the change that my children are going through as teenagers. All the hormones and all the maturing and all the growing and hopefully thriving. And I want you guys to go through this journey with me, and hopefully we can all help each other through these changes. Beautiful content is such a personal thing. My style is not minimalist like what is in vogue right now. My style is more collected and meaningful to me. It brings back experiences, memories, and feelings. Everything that I do and everything that I own evokes a sense of history and what I've gone through as a human being. What I strive to achieve in my style is timelessness in the way I dress, the way I do my makeup, the way I arrange my things around the house, for no other reason than 1, the memories, but 2, for cost effectiveness. I don't like trends, even though I do wear my trendy reading glasses at times. Every now and then you just put a little twist of the trend, and that's fine. And I hope you enjoy what it is that I have to share. And I really would appreciate your comments, your constructive comments even, so I can serve you better as a community. And so I have 3 children, have a dog and a cat, and a wonderful husband. I'm a graphics designer and a photographer. I help small companies with their social media advertising by creating beautiful graphics for them. I also design events for small gatherings like birthday parties. I do the design side only, or events for my golf course clubhouse. So all these things form my toolkit to become a YouTuber and to transfer my knowledge and my need to share and to improve and serve. because of my degree in biology, I am really interested in both genetics and neuroscience and gardening. But I will do several of these talks, if you guys would like to hear it, about neuroscience and how all these hormonal changes in our bodies affect us and how we can control it. There is specifically one doctor, his name is Andrew Huberman. He is a neuroscientist with Stanford University. He runs his own lab and he has a podcast, which I'll put a link down below. And what I intend to do is break down his lectures. Usually he goes and does 5 hour-and-a-half long each lectures on, say, sleep. And that's one thing that we all need as we go through this phase in life. What I want to do is share those lectures with you guys, but kind of like break it down in like maybe in half an hour, go over whatever it is that he covered in 6 hours, so that we can improve our lives. And thank you so much for joining and being a supporter of this channel. All right, see you guys later.